Well, new details tonight. Soon, lawmakers will introduce a bill to make it a crime to get an abortion.
Now, the bill's sponsor wants women who undergo an abortion to be charged with a homicide. But you might remember 2 years ago, Ohioans passed a constitutional amendment to ensure access to abortion in our state.
10 TV's Tara Jabbour joins us live now from the State House with reaction from both sides of this issue. Tara?
Well, Yolanda, House Republicans are expected to introduce this bill tomorrow. And Abortion Ohio says this bill is about protecting babies before they are born. The Ohio Prenatal Equal Protection Act will soon be introduced in the House. The bill would create legal protections from the moment of fertilization.
All that it does is simply identify the preborn human being as a person under the law and deserving of the equal protection of the law.
That means if a woman gets an abortion, she would be charged for killing another human being. However, there are exceptions to the law, one to save the life of the woman, or two, a spontaneous miscarriage.
It gives the same protections to the preborn human being that a born human being has.
What would you say to someone in Ohio who voted to keep abortion? You know, over 50% of Ohioans voted to keep abortion.
I would say they voted for something evil. And in our country's history, there have been many times where, unfortunately, the people have desired something evil.
Rhiannon Carnes with Ohio Women's Alliance says she will fight against this bill.
Ohioans have already spoken and said that we should protect abortion access and reproductive freedom in our state, and it is now written into our state Constitution.
Carnes thinks lawmakers are wasting their time by debating the issue once again.
This is just another attempt at extremists and extremist legislatures attempting to abuse their power and authority over Ohioans.
When it comes to IVF, the bill does not directly say if IVF will be banned or not. Beigel says if the bill passes, IVF will be affected because human life will begin at fertilization.
The entire IVF industry would have to change how they handle the humans they create.
Carnes says this bill does not respect the decision that Ohio voters already made by passing the constitutional amendment. She says she wants everyone to remember that abortion is legal in Ohio.
You have the right to make the decision that is best for you and your family, and no politician has authority and power over that. Those are personal decisions.
Now, I reached out to the two lawmakers who are sponsoring this bill. Neither of them got back to me for an interview today. Reporting live from the State House, Tara Jabbour, 10 TV News.